Hi there my friends, this is Benjamin here from saybuy9to5.com. Welcome to my video again. Well, in this video I shall attempt to share with you a new information product called Phoenix 2.0. So what exactly is Phoenix 2.0 and how could it help you? Well, first and foremost, Phoenix 2.0 actually attempts to share with you a method whereby one click could channel into 5, 10 or even more different affiliate offers. Number two, it shares with you how can you build simple squeeze pages to collect new email addresses. And thirdly, and most importantly, actually shares with you how could you succeed using solo ads, and also sharing with you some of the high converting solo ad vendors that Phoenix 2.0 vendor has actually been using himself. So if this is something of interest to you, do stay on until the end of this video as I'll be sharing you the insights of Phoenix 2.0 as well as sharing with you some of the awesome bonuses that I have prepared for you should you decide to purchase through the link in the description below this video. So without further ado, let's take a look at the bonuses that I have specially prepared for you. Now my bonus number one is this thing called the Online Sales Power Booster Package. Bonus number two, the pros and cons of Facebook ads. Now Facebook ads used to dominate the online marketing platform, but however after the iOS 14 updates, there have actually been many worries, complaints about the drop in performance of Facebook ads. So I'll share with you actually, is Facebook ads still worth continuing and what are the cons of using Facebook ads. Bonus number three, the 30 free traffic methods. Bonus number four, how can you actually double your website traffic in just under 30 minutes. And bonus number five, all the special vendor bonuses for fast action takers only. So what are the vendor bonuses at this point in time? Total value of bonuses, about $1,200. Vendor bonus number one, they will actually give you the entire license rights to Phoenix 1.0. Okay, bearing in mind this is the previous version of Phoenix 2.0. Vendor bonus number two, there's this thing called the Little Black Box 2.0, whereby it's their personal one-stop list of all the different traffic sources all bundled into one place. So the vendor has actually invested a lot of money into testing it and finding the traffic methods that work. Vendor bonus number three is this thing called the Phoenix 2.0 funnel, whereby this funnel is better tested and proven to convert cold traffic into red hot buyers. Vendor bonus number four, 3-day follow-up email swipes. Alright, so these are the four vendor bonuses that have been prepared for fast action takers. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look into the Phoenix 2.0 members area. Okay, Phoenix 2.0 members area, as you can see on the left side is the menu bar. So this is the welcome, followed by the overview. Before you proceed on, my suggestion is look at the overview video first. Okay, as this video actually attempts to share with you the entire mind map of what exactly is Phoenix 2.0 all about. If not, as you proceed downwards, you might get a little bit confused. So getting set up with Phoenix 2.0, this is where the gist of this information product is. Where and how can you find top offers? How do you build rotators, which is the one-click channeling into 5, 10 or even more different affiliate offers? How do you build a simple funnel? How you integrate your autoresponder, setting up your follow-ups as well as testing the funnel before you start channeling traffic to it. So these are the traffic trainings, okay, and as well as their top converting traffic source. Subsequently, how do you actually monitor your sales? Where is it coming from? And as well as scaling it. Last but not least is the final conclusion. So it's a very simple information product that is very suitable for newbies who are actually looking into different traffic sources to start succeeding in affiliate marketing. The 25,000 case study, done for you funnel, the different bonuses, which include the black box, which I mentioned to you just now, under the vendors bonus. This is the one, the Little Black Box 2.0. Okay, the different upgrades. These are where all the upsells are, and as well as the price point, which I'll talk about it shortly. And finally, the support of Phoenix 2.0. So all the training is in video forms. Individual training lasts approximately between 6 to 11 minutes. So it's very fast to complete the entire training, but it's very worth it because you will definitely learn something new. So let's take a look at the bonus page here. Now, if you decide to purchase Phoenix 2.0 through the link in the description below this video, once you click upon it, you'll be directed to my bonus page, which looks like this. Bearing in mind, Phoenix 2.0 will officially be launched on the 12th of March, 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So this bonus will actually expire on 16th of March, which is about 4 days after the officially launch. So if you find that this software is good for you in terms of learning solo ads, learning how to generate different offers via one click, and as well as setting up your squeeze pages to collect more email leads, do consider purchasing it. So what's the price point like? Okay, front-end offer of Phoenix 2.0 is retailing at barely $13. Information product, detailing the exact process whereby the vendor goes from flat broke after losing everything to bring in consistent and reliable income day after day. Okay. Upsell number 1, the Profit Automators 2.0, retailing at $37. Getting these to work around the clock on complete autopilot. Upsell number 2, the Done For You package, retailing at $197, whereby they package something very special and unique to really give anyone that implements this a surefire way to get cash flowing into your wallet. Inner Circle Profits Club, retailing at $67 for upsell number 3. Details everything you need to maximize profits inside their Facebook community, and as well as weekly course and training sessions. Upsell number 4, 10 times the profit box, retailing at $47. Upsell number 5, unlimited traffic, retailing at $197. Okay. And upsell number 6 is the license rights for Phoenix 2.0, which is retailing at $97. So of course, all these license rights gives you the opportunity to earn 100% commission throughout the entire product suites. So as a summary, these are all the key benefits of Phoenix 2.0. Alright, and these are all the bonuses. My special bonuses that I prepared for fast action takers as well. So let me just summarize it. My bonus number 1, the online sales power booster package. The number 2, pros and cons of Facebook ads. Number 3, the 30 free traffic methods. Number 4, how do you actually double your traffic in just under 30 minutes? And number 5 is all the special vendor bonuses. Okay. Now, if you decide to purchase Phoenix 2.0, click on any of these yellow color button here. Click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. You'll be directed into the sales page of Phoenix 2.0, which looks something like this. So this is the entire sales page of Phoenix 2.0. As you can see, as I scroll it down, it's actually a very long sales page. So do take a look at it at your own free time. Okay. If you decide to purchase it, find the button to purchase, which is this. Now, bearing in mind, it's a risk-free investment on your part because there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Upon using the method taught by the vendors, if you do not achieve any results, which I seriously don't think so, because I personally use the solo ads and I can see the power of using solo ads to build up your email list in the shortest time period possible. Alright, so you can actually click on this to go ahead with the purchase. Now, once you purchase Phoenix 2.0, because it's a Warrior Plus product, you'll be greeted with this particular receipt page that looks like this, Warrior Plus. Click on the blue color button and straight away you'll be able to download all these bonuses that I have prepared for you. Okay, so this actually concludes my review for Phoenix 2.0. Now, if you're someone new in affiliate marketing and have not really seen any results online, I strongly suggest that you can purchase these information products at a front-end offer of just $13. Look at how this vendor actually achieves amazing results simply by using solo ads, and what kind of investments you have to look into. How do you actually choose the correct vendor? Because if you choose the wrong solo ad vendor, you'll be wasting a lot of money. Alright, so one thing good about this program is on top of just training you how to use solo ads, they also share with you in their Black Box 2.0 who are the top solo ad vendors that they have been using, and this actually saves you a lot of money and time in the trial and error of solo ads. Let me see what else is there. Okay, so this is just about it for the review of Phoenix 2.0. I hope this review video actually helps you in your buying decision, and till my next video, I'll see you again. Take care.